taking this program and why?
Okay. Today, for Indian Oil Bongaigaon Refinery, it's a unique day for us because we are supporting a cricket match of all Assam physically challenged personnel, means cricketers, and I'll say that we are very, very happy that Bongaigaon Refinery is able to support this. And the main idea of this support is that we want to encourage this team, okay, these players, and also a message down the line across the physically challenged people, the group which are there, that please do not worry, we are there to support you for your this kind of games, whatever games you play. And this has been a wonderful, and we have watched the first innings. First innings we have watched, and I think the score is almost, I think, crossed 100. So 100 and in 10 overs. Initially it was planned for 15 overs, but because of the present weather condition, this has been the management and the authorities there, they have brought it down to 10 overs. But this 10 overs has been a very remarkable game, and players are displaying excellent games. We are very, very fortunate to see this game. I personally am very much supportive of this cause, and Mr. Goyari, who has been toiling very hard to organize this game. Whenever they had approached us for the first time, we said that please don't worry, we will give you all logistic supports.
What is the aims and objectives about this game?
The aims and objectives about this game is that, first of all, they are selecting players to represent the state. That is one of the things, that they will be representing the state in the national. And for us, it's a awareness among the people that we support this activity. We are supporting this activity, and it's an encouragement. Basically, it's an encouragement for the players. They have a feeling that there is someone who is watching our game and who is supporting us. That's a very, very important thing which we feel. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. নমস্কাৰ, আজি আমি ইণ্ডিয়ান অইল কৰ্পোৰেশ্যন বঙাইগাঁও ৰিফাইনেৰীত অল আছাম ফিজিকেলি চেলেঞ্জড সকলৰ ক্ৰিকেট মেচ, ফাইনেল ক্ৰিকেট মেচখন আমি ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিছোঁ, আৰু ইয়াত এটা অতি সুন্দৰ মেচ এটা আমি দেখা পাই আছোঁ, আৰু এই মেচটো আমি চাবলৈ চবেই ইয়াত একেলগ হৈছোঁ। আৰু আমাৰ লগত আছে শ্ৰী গোয়াৰী, শ্ৰী চৰকাৰ, আৰু এওঁলোকে যিখিনি কষ্ট কৰি আজি এই খেলখন আয়োজন কৰিছে, আৰু প্লেয়াৰ কেইজন, যিকেইজন চিৰাং ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট আৰু আমাৰ কোকৰাঝাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ মাজত ফাইনেল খেলখন হৈ আছে, 15 অভাৰৰ খেল, আৰু খেলখন চাই আমি খুব ভাল পাইছোঁ। আৰু প্লেয়াৰ কেইজনৰ যিটো পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ আৰু তেওঁলোকে যিখিনি দেখুৱাই আছে, সেইখিনি খুব এক্সেলেণ্ট পাৰফৰ্মেঞ্চ আমি দেখা পাই আছোঁ, আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ আমি বঙাইগাঁও ৰিফাইনেৰীৰ পৰা ছাকচেছফুল লাইফ আৰু ছাকচেছফুল কেৰিয়াৰ আৰু খেল যাতে আৰু আগুৱাই গৈ থাকে, তাৰে আমি আশা কৰিলোঁ, আৰু ভগৱানৰ ওচৰত প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিলোঁ যে তেখেতসকলৰ মংগল হওক। ধন্যবাদ। দুদিনৰ কাৰণে। ইয়াত আমি তেওঁলোকৰ গ্ৰাউণ্ডখন আমি ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিলোঁ, গ্ৰাউণ্ডখন হিচাপে, আৰু বাকী লজিষ্টিক ছাপোৰ্ট যি লাগে সেইখিনি লজিষ্টিক ছাপোৰ্টো আমি তেওঁলোকক প্ৰদান কৰিছোঁ।